I guess I'm gonna get this one back to the ranch then.
I don't know how you're gonna find where it goes. I don't know what that about. I hear that. I don't know what that is, Squirrely. Your coyotes up there giving it hell. A coyote or something up there giving it hell.
Probably a bunch of darn minks. Me and him was fishing up there Tuesday, and it's a bunch of freaking minks got up in there fighting.
You can hear them hollering. Whoa!
Yeah, that's what it is. It's about 4 of them. They got up there wrestling around and splashing and racing.
About up there where that boat's at, that's where I'm hearing them from, up there in that hillside.
Yeah.
It sound like a little a coyote or something howling.
Yeah, that's what it is. I got a darn burrow up there. Me and him fished that corner up there the other day. And they wore it out the whole time, didn't they? Remember the mink fighting?
Yeah, he's sitting there listening like, what the heck is going on here?
Yeah, they were giving the devil the other day too.
I didn't know if that was that dude down there at the end had his puppy down there with him or what. But
No minks, I'd say.
but that was on that side of the ridge. I was like, there ain't nothing over there.
Yeah, I bet that's what it is.
Be safe.
Bring another dog with you?
No, is that what was crying up there?
Yeah.
We was listening to it. It was getting ready to go up there. It sounded like a daggone bunch of coyotes out there giving it hell.
Yeah, it did.
But it's that dog instead.
Yeah.
Ain't that something? I was like, that's the same spot the sound was coming from. And I seen you over there. I was like, well, maybe it was his.
Nah.
I couldn't quite make up.
About midways up there between those couple of camps.
Yeah. You heard it up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it down there around the corner. It was down there just fishing that hole.
Yeah.
I was like, what in the heck is that, a coyote or something up there on top of that hill? But he was howling.
Yeah, that's what I figured it was. Something about caught on to something up on top of the hill, but
Yeah, that guy said there's probably a bunch of minks. He said we ran across a bunch of minks up here the other day.
oh really?
Yeah, he said right around this corner that was in there, but that there ain't got no tag on it?
Nah.
No kidding.
No. Smells like it got hit by a skunk too.
Oh, man.
But I figured it got chasing the skunk and it got sprayed and fell up off that cliff or something. Because it was down there in that corner.
Yeah. But he can't walk down it.
Nah.
It don't seem like he's hurt.
Nah, he's shivering. It sounds like he's probably been. He wasn't there when I came through earlier.
Oh, yeah?
But which of course I've been here since like 12:30 too, so that's how the hell how long he's been down there.
Ain't that something? Yeah, I got him tied to the boat.
Yeah,
So if he jumps off, he can't swim away.
yeah. Well, I guess I'm going to get this one back to the ramp then.
I don't know how you're going to find where it goes.
Remote control, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll probably post it on Facebook or something. Maybe somebody knows whose it is.
But at least we know who was crawling on. Yeah, that poor dog is stuck.